Oh, shush. Well, that's kind of scuppered the plan. There's a fence all the way along the edge of the canal. They've gated it all off here. This is new to us. I wonder what the hell's going on. Well, that's buggered us. So that was Jim that I've been talking to, who's rocked up early, same as me. Early doors, early bird. Right, we're heading over to Whitsunday Pie Lock, and I've put it in the group so that the rest of the gang know where we've gone. So heading back out of Ranby, turn left at the top. It's about 5 miles to Whitsunday Pie Lock. The adventure starts today already. At least we've got access here. Morning. Right, so I'm going out in the Edge Pro 1 today. Got to try and squeeze through this little gap and get down to the water side down there. There's Grandad having a toot off the bridge. It's a relatively easy boat to carry. This you can just sling it on your shoulder. I mean, I'm carrying a camera and a bag, and I'm not even holding this boat on. Oh, here's Fifi and Indy. I'm taking people out with it now. I better get control of the boat.
Swinging your big boat about.
Swinging my big boat about. We'll do the polite thing and head down to the second to last one.
Boom.
I'll need to, it'll be last minute then if I do.
That's a different looking thing, that.
Speedboat. Speedboat.
Have you had that yet? No. I had one woman in the shop going on.
Coughing.
Said it's alright, man. I said no. Alright, look. Not the dog. Yeah, man.
It didn't look as fucking hideous as that on the video.
You. Did you hear that?
It's full of compliments, isn't it?
Now we're off. It's a nice morning, although it is a little cloudy. Great views from the banks. Oh, look at that, I've left everybody behind already. Mind you, some of them are in pack rafts. We're not having a speed race today or anything along those lines. It's just an outing with the chaps. I just thought I'd get on ahead a little bit. So the last time you saw me using this boat was on Ullswater, and I had a lot of fun with it on there. It was great, and you might recall I'd swapped out the seat because the supplied seat, dreadful. Yeah, I swapped out the seat for an Aquaglide core seat. Got that in today. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Looks like I'm paddling through a corncob field, doesn't it? Here come the boys. Look at the way the wind's carving that water up there in front as it blows off the land. John's on camera behind me talking to you lot. Well, his lot, you lot, you know what I mean. John and I have been yakking and everybody's caught us up. So John's out in his new favourite boat, Sea Eagle Fast Track 385. It's not a bad craft, to be honest with you. It's another one with a V-shaped hull. Oh, we've got that wind against us now. You got the skeg in that today, John? You are? Skeg's in. The weed trap. I don't know whose bloody daft idea it was to come out in this billowing wind, looking at nobody in particular. To be fair, when I looked at the forecast, it did look like it was going to be a bit better today. Yeah. Bit of white water, shall we go over? Bit of white water. No, it's just the overflow. Not much overflowing today. I don't think I've ever seen this so shallow. I mean, you can even see the edges there, look. So all the kayak boys, they're all up ahead. The pack rat boys are out of sight, out of mind. When you get out of that wind, it's actually quite pleasant down here. Now, can you see this, what looks like a little island up ahead? All it is dislodged weed. If you ever come across this, what it means is at some point a canal boat's come down here, and it's just the turbulence from the prop has ripped the weed out from the side, and it's got dragged behind it. You can see all sorts of little bits of it down here as we go. It's perfect, yeah, it's bang on. How you doing, Steve?
No good. I've got a squeak and it's too muddy. You've got a sharp knife in there? It doesn't matter yet. You've got a sharp knife in there?
I have.
You've got me to park up. Can't be doing this.
I thought it was your elbow.
Yeah.
You've got a squeaky elbow.
Yeah. So I'll cut round there, look, you see. I only need that little bit. Don't need that.
Go on, Squeaky Steve, give us a demo.
Yeah, no.
Still say it's the best thing I've ever done, this, starting this group.
Most of the the last week, that was a dead loss. We were at the top, near the castle. I did myself. But I thought, fuck this, I'm going to get...
Yeah, that hill's steep in Knaresborough. Horrible place to live. Canal boat! Morning. All right.
Yes, fine.
Morning. Woohoo! In the wash. Gonna take out some of the gang, I think. Go on, see if you can get him. Try and get him. Woohoo! Faster than a canal boat. No, but still enjoy it, it's still fun. Woohoo! But it's the only white water we've got. Nice, a big motherfucker.
I can't remember what it reminds me of.
A kayak?
No.
Submarine.
No, the old Formula 3 bodies.
Nice backsides.
Camera's rolling. That looks like they've got an outside bed area, doesn't it? Four-poster bed area. Ramming speed! Ramming speed! Oh, he bloody move! What a beautiful pylon. Didn't see you stood there. So, you know, I was saying earlier about weed being dragged out by the canal boats. Look, prime example, just past one, some fresh weed dragged out. There's some big. Oh, I've just got skegged on something quite big. Oh, God. Look. That was stuck on my skeg. That's a nice speed going then as well. Just playing with the speed on this thing. You can see more of those weed islands just on the right hand side here. And there's one right under the bridge, look at that. Well, that's my bit of exercise for today. This is the reprobate subdivision of the paddle posse.
We're not there yet, Dad.
No, we aren't, son. Now shut up and play with your Game Boy. Just play about in John's white water. Got him! Got him!
Like police interceptors move.
Rear-ended.
Tactical contact made.
Tactical contact made. So although this wasn't actually our intended launch spot today at Ranby, it is still a pretty little route, isn't it?
It is a very pretty route.
Pretty little route.
Especially now it's all greened over.
Yeah, especially now it's all greened over, it's lovely. You get these picturesque little bridges through the trees. Looks like it's had a bit of recent renovation, this. So we've just reached the world's end by bridge number 65.
Oh no, I'm going to say you missed the hot weather with your week holiday, didn't you?
It's been just the right kind of temperature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Parking point. Bit of a leg stretch and some snap. Oh look, snack box. Right, we're back on the water. We had a little bit of a breather. Had a fanny about. Yeah, bit of bullying, bit of bullying.
I'll go this way round, shall I? And I'll try to get it out.
Hello.
I had to destroy the camera to get it out.
Squeaky Steve has fixed his squeaky problem. He's got his joints lubed.
Yes.
Well, there's me racing ahead. And we're all turning round and going back.
Good lad, in you come. In. Good lad. Indy. Hey, what's this? What's this? You're gonna have to do that, mate.
Picking up passengers. Stow away, stow away.
They're boarding us! All the room in the world in one nipple.
See you all walking back, Jim.
Yeah.
Alright, catch you later.
See you in a bit.
You'll probably catch us up anyway.
Oh, you will.
You're clear.
Thank you. I'm a bit wobbly.
We were hoping for a splash.
Big nose to be coming through.
Oh! Just bash the dog.
As long as you don't get nudged.
So I keep travelling so far, and then every so often I have to stop and pull a load of stuff off the skeg. You just feel the boat slowing down. Yeah, I can see a load of stuff underwater, but I can't actually reach it. I've been pulling huge mats of green weed off. Huge frigging mats of the stuff. And you can feel it slowing you down. Anyway, not far off back now. I'm going to wrap this up, I think. I've had a bit of fun with this Edge Pro on here, apart from the skeg trapping stuff. Like you saw in the Ullswater video, I've swapped out the crap seat for an Aquaglide core seat. Much, much better, because you can put your own filling in the seat base, and it's low. It gives you nice low back support. It's really good. That's about it, I think, for this boat. I did have trouble inflating one of the side chambers today. This one is actually quite soft and squidgy, but that was the issue with the pump. It just kept leaving the valve depressed when I went to pull it out, and I lost the will to keep faffing with it. Lost the will. So yeah, but I like this as a relatively fast kayak, and I use that term quite loosely, relatively fast. It is the one that I've done the highest speed in so far at 5.2 miles an hour. It does glide well, it is nice on the water, but like I said at the end of the review video, is it a 400 quid better boat than something like a Sandbanks Optimal, Aquatech Ottawa, Wave Trailblazer? No, and it's 400 quid more than those type of boats. Anyway, it is what it is. What I am looking forward to doing, coming soon, I'll try this out with an E-fin, with the Edge K4 E-fin. I am looking forward to trying that out. I'll take that on the River Ouse, probably. I need a big open river. I was planning on trying it on here today. Too much weed, it's just going to block the prop. It wouldn't be fun, wouldn't be fair. So do that coming up. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.